Never mind, I'm not eating on anybody today. Oh! No. It's okay. Friendly. Thank you. Oh no, I'm sorry, man. I know finger shots hurt. Hey, nice shot. You got to dive in the haters, okay? Excuse me, sir. Oh, yeah. There's a blue guy in. Hit. Nice shot, man. Hit. Nice shot. Good take.
What? How did he get you?
I don't know, man. Nice shot, man. Nice little spot. My gun is... Hit! Nice shot! My gun is just not working, huh? Hit! Nice shot! Nice gun! Oh, that... Oh my! Oh my gun is just so inaccurate today. Hit! Nice shot! Good trade!
Hey, stand across! Stand across!
Hit! Nice shot! Right off. Right off, we got right off. What was that?
One captain and he's not
Okay. Yeah, just keep it quiet. We're gonna get shot by strangles every time we move. Yeah, just calm down here, follow me. Sunday, no! Don't get at it, just friendly shooting. Red! Oh, no, this is why you don't go and watch him do it. That guy's gonna try to come back. Red team, come on, no! Hey, red team!
I hate to pause the video like this and do a commentary because that just ruins the flow of the video. But what happened next was a pretty big issue. So this kid, we'll call him Blue Dye Mask because that's what he wears. Me and this little kid have been spawn killing a lot. And what he does next is just totally out of line.
Hey! That's not... Hey, I don't really want to be a part of this. Just some rage issues overshooting.
So as you probably saw, Blue Dye Mask, after getting killed by that little kid, he turned around and screamed in rage at him and unloaded his pistol mag, like nearly all of it, into this little kid. As you probably could see, I was just I didn't know what to say. Probably could have said better, and kind of disappointed by the whole thing because the ref doesn't even seem like he gave him a warning for what he did because he just kept playing. The Blue Dye Mask kid, he just kept playing all day and still was over the top angry whenever he saw me or this little kid. That's just not right for the ref to do. Probably should have made him sit out of a few games because to play Airsoft you have to have respect for other people, respect for your guns, respect for basically everything because these may be toys, but they hurt a lot. You can't deny that. Sure, people say it doesn't hurt, but it hurts at first. And you can't just get angry for dying over and over again. It's going to happen. You're going to die every single time you step onto the field. You're never not going to be hit. Maybe I'm blowing it out of proportions, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. That was just over the top disrespectful for everyone involved in the game. And that's why there hasn't been any of these Airsoft videos on my channel for the last couple months, because it's been a month since I got on there, and the videos have just been sitting on the disc inside of my camera, just sitting there, because I don't want to have to go through this. I don't want to have to go watch that again. That's just really just makes me angry, as you can probably tell by the way I'm making this video. But I'm really sorry for just dragging this video out.
You ready, Sam? We got to yeet on them so hard, okay? That's the only thing I'm saying,
Yeah, and you thought the Speedsoft is cancer argument was a joke.